Assalamualaikum. My name is IZZRAFIQ bin ZULFIKAR HARDI. My metric number is B0322121072. Okay, so our gaming cafe arena named Cyber Arena. So the member that developed this website is me, IZZRAFIQ, Amirul, Faris, IRFAN, SYAFIE, and Muhammad SIDDEEQ. So for introduction, Cyber Arena Gaming is one-stop shop for everything gaming related. Okay, so our location is in Kedai Melo, Kota Baru, Kelantan, and our target market is for casual gamer, hardcore gamer, student, sport enthusiasts, and families. Okay.
My name is Amirul Faris ROSLAN, and I will present on proposed hardware and software. For the hardware, first is gaming PCs. So this is the specification detail for the one PC. First, we have processor Ryzen 5 5600X, RM765. Motherboard Asus TUF Gaming B550M plus Wi-Fi RM499. RAM from Kingston Fury Beast RGB 3200 MHz 8GB RM278. SSD Samsung M.2 1TB NVMe SSD RM659. Power supply from FSP HV Pro 85 plus 550W 80 plus bronze PSU RM186. Casing from TechWare Forge M2 ARGB case RM189. Graphic card from Asus Dual RX 6600 XT OC 8GB DDR6 for RM2140. And lastly, TechWare cable sleeve RM75 for each unit. Next is peripherals. Monitor from LG Ultra Gear 27-inch Full HD 144Hz gaming monitor RM739. Keyboard from Logitech G213 Pro Digi Wired RM179. Mouse from Logitech G502 Hero High Performance Wired Gaming Mouse RM189. And lastly, headset from the Corsair HS35 Surround V2 RM199. After that is networking equipment. We are using TP-Link Archer AX6000 Wi-Fi 6 router RM1029. TP-Link TL SG1024 24 port gigabit Ethernet for the switch RM449. Access point, we are using TP-Link EAP245 with price is RM499. And lastly, cable Cat6 Ethernet cables RM15 for each 15 meter. So total cost for the hardware, gaming PCs, for one PC we got RM5,069. We multiply with 10 because there are 10 PC for our gaming cafe, so we got RM50,690. For the peripheral, RM1,306. Multiply with 10 unit because we have 10 unit of PCs, so we got RM13,060. And lastly, for the networking equipment, RM2,007. So the total cost for gaming PCs, peripherals and network equipment is RM65,757. Next is the software. For the operating system, we are using Windows 11 Pro license RM1,299 for each unit. So we have 10 unit PC, so the total cost is RM1,299 multiply with 10 unit, so we got RM12,990. For the application software, we are using browser Google Chrome, Opera GX and Microsoft Edge. All of it are free. Game license, we are using Steam, Origin and Uplay. For estimation cost, we put 2,000. Antivirus and security software, we are using Norton Antivirus, RM139 yearly for one unit. So we multiply with 10 for because we have 10 PCs, so we got RM1,390 yearly. And lastly, we are using cafe management software, which we are using software Cyber Cafe Pro. This software is free to use for people that want to open the gaming cafe, to manage their cafe. So the total cost for the software operating system is 12,990 ringgit. Game license 2,000. Antivirus and security software 1,390. And for cafe management software is free. So the total cost is 16,380 ringgit. So the total cost, so we have here is cost table for the hardware and software. So we have the item for each hardware and software, cost per unit, the quantity of unit that we need for 10 PC, and the total cost after we have multiply the cost per unit with the quantity. And the total cost we got for hardware and software is 82,137 ringgit. So for the monthly operating system, for us to run the business, the total cost for hardware and software is 82,137 ringgit. The estimation for the rent is 5,000. Estimation cost for utilities include the internet service is 5,000. So the total for rent and utilities is 10,000. So lastly, total cost for us to running the business, including the total cost for hardware and software, we got 92,137 ringgit. Next, I will pass to the next person for the next topic.
Design. So I am responsible for designing network topology and design. So first of all, our network device is TP-Link router. It connects to the ISP modem and provide internet access to the switch. Next, the switch we use also from TP-Link. The switch is function for central hub for all wired connection and place it centrally. We will place it centrally to minimize cable length. And next is access point, PC, server for switch to connect and use it to manage user account, game and other server based application. Next is the firewall, we use from Cisco Secure. Will position between the router and the switch to filter traffic and protect against external threat. And next is NAS. The function is to connect to the switch for file storage and backup purpose. So our network design topology, we use star topology. So here the internet will connect to the ISP modem and the ISP modem will connect to the router. Will go through to the firewall before going to the core switch, and then we go to the PoE switch, and then connect to all the gaming PC here. We also connect to the access point where it connect wireless network to the laptop, printer and smartphone. Okay, so for communication media, we use wired and wireless. So for the wired, from switch to gaming PC, the purpose is to guarantee dependable and fast connectivity for every gaming PC. And the wireless communication media, we use access point. The access point, we will use to provide wireless connection to the device like printer, laptop and phone. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is IRFAN Shafi'i, and I will be explaining about the IP addressing and network infrastructure for our Cyber Arena Gaming Cafe. So for our Cyber Arena Gaming Cafe, we use private IP address range that is suitable for our small to medium sized network. So our subnet will be 192.168.1.0/24, which will provide us with 254 usable IP address. So for our network infrastructure, our router, we will be using this IP address until access point 3, which is 192.168.1.1, and then it goes on until access point 3, which is 192.168.1.5. For our servers, we have two of it, which is the main server, 192.168.1.10, and also point 11. As we have 10 gaming PCs, we have set up the IP address for each of it from our subnet address from 20 to 29, and our administrative devices, which is the Office PC 1, Office PC 2, and the printer 192.168.1.30 until 0.32. Other devices such as NAS and firewall, I have set it for 192.168.1.40, while for the firewall 192.168.1.50. The dynamic range for the CP scope is available from 192.168.1.100 to 200. So when we use this IP address for this small to medium sized network, it will ensure an organized and manageable network. So each device having a designated space within the network structure. It will allow us for future expansion if we want to add some gaming PCs or other devices and enhance our overall network efficiency and the reliability. For our calculation, the subnetting is done by for the network infrastructure subnet, which require five IP address. So our subnet mask will be 255.255 slash 99, which will provide 8 IP address. So based on this calculation, all of it are the same. So you can view it by yourself. From the calculation, the static IP address is used for critical devices like routers, switches, servers, and gaming PCs, while the dynamic IP address is allocated via the ICP for guest devices and non-critical devices. So this IP address is suitable for our gaming cafe, as I said before. So that's all from me. I will pass it to the next person, Muhammad Siddiq.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Siddiq and I'm going to tell you about the type of internet access. We can click here. Okay. Type of internet access. We choose the Unify as our internet access, and we choose the data plan of Unify Home 300 Mbps. It is super fast, 300 Mbps for download and 50 Mbps for upload. Reliable connection? Yes, of course, because it will stay 24/7 with stable, reliable network. There's no drop calls or buffering videos because it is using optic fibers. And it is unlimited data if you are worried about it, and it is affordable even for P40 peoples. And because the price is 139 ringgit Malaysia for each month with free charge of service and unlimited data with fast speed. 100, you can also get a 100 ringgit Shopee voucher with promo code Universe and a Netflix basic plan. That's enough for any people that could enjoy without buffering, without any problems.